In this video, I'm going to go over the borders that are available in our ROES ordering system. So here I am, I just opened up ROES, I'm on the main screen. I'm going to go ahead and click on 8x10's luster finish. And this is just the basic 8x10 crop here that you end up with in the middle. I'll go ahead and load up some images. And here I'll drop in an image and just order an 8x10. I can move the image in and I can crop it. This is for a borderless 8x10. If I go over here on the left-hand side and look at the top, there's some different tabs. I'm going to choose the Borders tab, and here you can see that there's 3 options, and there's some shading to sort of show you what it is. This top one is just an 8x10 print with a 1/4 inch border all the way around. You can see it's still cropping. I can zoom in, crop however I like, and order an 8x10 like that with a border. Then down below that, you can see one that says 8x10 luster 1/4 inch border force fit. So now force fit is an option within ROES that will allow you to fit the image onto an 8x10 regardless of the proportion of it. So now you can see there's a big border on the top and the bottom and the same 1/4 inch border on the left and the right. And if I drop in a vertical image, it does the same thing. Now the 1/4 inch border is on the top and the bottom, and then there's a larger border on the left and the right. When you're in one of these force fit options, and there's 2 of them here, you can't crop anything because it's forcing it to fit. It's showing you the entire image. So the third border is force fit, but without any 1/4 inch border. So it's just making the image fit on an 8x10 and putting borders on the side that are not proportional. So this would be a good idea in an image like this one, where on a regular 8x10, if I go back over here, it's cropping out people. Maybe you want to get the guy's foot in over here. The only way you can really get this to work on an 8x10 is if you do the force fit option, and then you end up with a border on the top and the bottom. Generally speaking, most cameras shoot an image that's proportional to a 7x10, not an 8x10, and that's what this is, a 1/2 inch border on the top and a 1/2 inch border on the bottom. And here's another example of sort of a panoramic picture. This gets everything in going left to right, and then it just puts a border on the top and the bottom. The full sheet that you would get would be an 8x10 with all the white on the top and the bottom. And that's the only way that you can get the entire image in if it's not proportional to 8x10. There's no extra charge for any of the borders, and they're just within the Borders tab. If you're ordering those and you don't want a border anymore, then you just go back out and click on the main 8x10 luster tab, and then choose just the regular 8x10 print here.